of things that you can do and implement right now that I'm going to share with you guys. Number one, this one is a pretty good example here of something new that you can do. This one's called Real Conspiracy. And so rather than just, editing the video a little bit like I teach to do a lot, this guy is going a little bit above and beyond here. So he's going out and he's finding news on celebrities. And then what he's doing is, as you can see here, he definitely has ads on every single one of his videos. And after the ad goes through, we'll show you here. But basically what he's doing is just putting, he's typing out like a script from, and it's just a computerized voice that he's doing. And so as you can see here, he's just finding news stories about celebrities, and he's probably just finding these on the internet. And basically, he's just kind of typing out a couple of the key points in a computerized software, which is really easy to find if you just Google it. And that makes it your own video. And so that's a really good way if you, kind of don't want to walk that line between editing and not editing enough, or editing, and those sort of things. Another thing you can do, which is something I also talk about inside my course, is to do a computer-aided type voice like this, so you can actually kind of make the video your own and do a good job of, making something that people are gonna want to watch, because it's, it's celebrities, and it's, you can clickbait certain pictures, certain thumbnails, titles, tags, all those sort of things, and they are viral topics because they are current in the news today about celebrities, which are things that people are always looking for on a daily basis. But you're not duplicating content, because you're just taking images, zooming in on them on the video editing software, which I show you how to do. It's really easy. You just kind of pan the images, and then all you have to do is find a couple of celebrity images and then find a news story about it, type some things out, the computer voice does it for you, and then it's really easy to make your own videos that way. But you're not really making your own videos, you're not in front of the camera, you're not doing any of those sort of things. But let me show you how much money this channel has made. So we'll go in here and look at the About section of this channel. And so as you can see here, their channel has been going for 2 years now, because they are editing their own videos together, right? So they're technically their own videos, and so there's no problem with it. And then my course will teach you how to do this exact thing, and then how to actually rank the videos with good titles, tags, thumbnails, things like that, to really make a lot of money, and how to put ads on it and do all those sort of things. So as you can see here, 40,526,066 views, okay? So then you multiply that by about a 10% click-through rate, which about 10% of your audience is going to click an ad, in my experience, if you put an ad every like 2.5 minutes, something like that. So you multiply by 0.10, then you multiply that, which is the clicks, by 3 cents, because you get 3 cents for every ad click. And I estimate that over the past like year and a half, this channel has made $121,000. So, to find some images on Google, put them in an editor, have it zoom and pan, and then type out some news stories, they're killing it, because celebrities are always a popular topic, and it's always something people are searching for. And then the other one I want to tell you guys is a lot of people are capitalizing on this, the Masters and Tiger Woods. So if you search for this, so as you can see here, this guy just posted the Tiger Woods speech, right? And he got 35,000 views on that one video. And it has ads on it as well. And so that's how easy this can be if you know how to rank a video. Yep, see, so it does have ads, like I said. And so all he did here was literally take the post-game speech and then just record it and then upload it. And so, if you did that a lot, you could make a lot of money just doing that. Like, this video got 35,000 views, and he barely has any subs, 634 subs, right? And so he was able to do that, and all he did was get it off the TV, really, and then, rank it the right way with a good title, tag, and thumbnail of something that's relevant. That's something you always want to look for. What's relevant today in the news? And then another thing I like to teach my students is to go back and find old videos about things that are currently relevant. So right now, Tiger Woods is relevant again. So if you went back and you found a video from 10 years ago of Tiger Woods, and then you had him do an interview 10 years ago, and you reposted it at a point where everyone's talking about Tiger Woods, you're still gonna get a lot of views on it, because it is, although it's an old video, it is a current topic. So that's something I always teach my students to do, and they have a lot of success doing that, and that's something I do a lot as well on my channels. And then this one right here. So this is just highlights of crazy golf moments. So if you look here, let me go back through here. So this one I know has ads. It had ads last time I watched it. Let me refresh. So that's one thing. Ads don't always pop up every single time. So as you can see here, it should pop up now. Okay, well, I know it has ads. The first time I clicked it, it had an ad at the beginning. It has these yellow lines down here, which show you that it definitely has ads right here. You see this yellow line? I have my camera in front of my monitor. I can't wait to get my new house. But anyway, so this one has ads, and it's got, as you can see here, it's got 3,974,000 views on it, okay? And then he put a part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this video. So we'll go to part 3 here. And, you know, again, he's got, 1 million views on this. And he only has 3,000 subs. But with these videos that he's doing, he's getting a whole lot of views on them. On these golf videos. So look at that. Look at that. He barely has any videos. Look, his first video is 722,000 views, and then 246, 1.2. So, you know, okay, that's like 7 videos. Okay, and he's got 7,377,866 times 0.10 times 0.03. Like 7 videos has made him $22,000. You know, and that's him barely ever posting. I mean, so that's how easy it can be if you're doing a topic that is popular, something people are talking about, something that's relevant that people are currently interested in. And I've used these same things. If you saw my last video, I just bought a house, a little under $300,000. And that was all because of this, okay? So, you know, regardless of if you guys want to try YouTube, if you want to take my course and learn how I do it, or if you just want to try it on your own, or if you want to get into Shopify or drop shipping or affiliate marketing or any of those things online, guys, you know, it can change your life. Because I'll tell you right now, there's no way that I would have been able to buy a house, especially one for a little under $300,000, if I wasn't doing things on the internet. Okay, there's no way with my normal job, which I had a master's degree, right? I had a master's degree. I was a business analyst at a very successful publicly traded company. And there's no way they paid me enough to be able to get rid of my student loan and then be able to buy a house on my own. That never would have happened. So, you know, the reason I have this channel is just to help you guys be able to do the same thing I've been able to do. Whether that's just give you guys some motivation, some encouragement, or, you know, advice like this video, or if you do want to get into my course, again, you know, that's going to give you the step-by-step of everything. I don't always want to give everything on YouTube. This isn't really the platform to share those sort of things, but inside the course, you're going to get everything you need. But even if you don't want to do that, I hope that I'm motivating you guys to go out and try something online. Just try different things and actually give your 100% all. A lot of people will jump in, they'll try something, but they'll only give about 50% because they don't expect to make money. Of course, when everyone starts something, you don't expect to make money. But those who kind of look past that and say, well, I'm not just going to assume I'm not going to make money, so I'm not going to give my all because I don't want to waste 8 hours for a week, you know, to get no return. The people that are able to look past that and say, well, I'm going to give it my all 100% for a month and just see what happens. And if that doesn't work, then I'll do the same thing with something else. Yeah, you might lose some time trying these things out, but the payoff can be ridiculous, okay? Like for me personally, I probably won't ever have to go back to a job again. And that's all because I, you know, focused 100% on, you know, making something happen for myself, and eventually something clicked. The first few things I tried did not work, okay? And then I just kept working until something did work, okay? And for me, it was YouTube and, you know, downloading, reposting videos and, you know, learning the YouTube algorithm. So those are the things I like to share with you guys. So hopefully this helped you out. That's it. I'm out. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.